Hey everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I will show you how to start a faceless YouTube channel step by step. You don't need to show your face, you don't need expensive equipment, and you can start using just your phone. Make sure you watch till the end because I will explain everything in the easiest way. First, what is a faceless YouTube channel? It means you create videos without showing your face. You can use AI voice, stock videos, images, screen recordings. Many big channels are making money like this. Next step is choosing a niche. A niche means your topic. Good beginner niches: make money online, AI tools, motivation, facts videos, tech videos. Tip: choose one topic and stay consistent. Now create your script. Your script should be simple, clear, helpful. Example: top 5 ways to make money online. Keep sentences short and easy to understand. Next, create voice. You can record your own voice or use AI voice. Choose US English voice for better reach. Make sure the voice is clear and not too fast. Now create your video. You can use stock videos, free images, AI video tools. Steps: add your voice. Add clips matching your script. Add subtitles. Keep it simple and clean. Now upload your video to YouTube. Important things: catchy title, good thumbnail, proper description. Post regularly, at least one video daily if possible. How do you earn? You can earn from YouTube ads, affiliate marketing, sponsorships, but remember, first focus on growing your channel. That's it! Now you know how to start a faceless YouTube channel step by step. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. And comment below what video you want next. See you in the next video.